What's going on, you guys? DZROCKS here, back with another Musicality Monday. This time I'm going to talk about the 3 elements of music. If you're new here, consider subscribing for plenty more content just like this, dropping knowledge, how-tos, Musicality Mondays, and plenty more content just to help you grow as a dancer and have fun with your boy along the way. With that said, roll that intro, let's get right into it. So, the 3 elements of every song include the lyrics, the instruments, and the synthesizer. Now, what each one of those is obviously the lyrics, or when people are talking, singing, and or rapping over the track. The instruments include obviously the drums, and most commonly in songs, obviously it's the drums, and those instruments on there are the hi-hat, the kick drum, not the bass drum, the kick drum, and the snare. And the synthesizer is really any sound that is electronically made, like a wobble sound or anything like that. Those sounds are made with the synthesizer. Being able to identify each part of the song is obviously key for musicality, because you want to be able to dance to it by itself. So try to just dance to the lyrics. That can be really hard because it's hard not to add any of the drum section, and especially when it comes to space in the lyrics, it's hard to not add more movement to dance to the beat, but try to just dance to only the lyrics, okay? And vice versa, do the same with the instruments and the synthesizer. Try to dance only to that and don't hit any words in the song. Breaking down a couple of those basic instruments that you could hear, especially on the drums, is the hi-hat, the kick, and the snare. And the hi-hat is the that everybody says, that sound. That sound is the hi-hat. So you're trying to make sure that when you're dancing to the hi-hat, you're really able to identify the pattern that it's playing, because it could switch up. And even when you hear a what that is that's the hi-hat opening and shutting. And you can use that actual motion that the hi-hat is making and use that in your dancing. Or whatever it is that you're gonna do, doesn't really matter. But that is what the hi-hat is doing, that is what the hi-hat is for. Kick drum is obviously the bass that everybody says, boom, 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 boom. That's your kick drum. And the snare is that either a clap, if you're from the early 2000s, sometimes it's a snap. But your snare is what's keeping your timing through the song, keeping everything together. So being able to count through these parts, each part, and being able to identify and then separate each one and dance to it, it's just key to musicality, just key to understanding music, more ways to give yourself more ways to dance to it. And that's what this entire series is about, is just understanding how music is put together, so then we can really dissect it and really figure out how we can really use it to the best of its abilities to bring out the dancing that we have to the best of its abilities. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comment box. Hit that like button if you liked it. Leave a suggestion if you want the next Musicality Monday to be something specific. Why is that word hard? Specific. Let me know in the comment box, and I would definitely try to get to it. Appreciate you guys watching. I am DZROCKS. I'm out.